looks weird. I think today I deserve my favorite scent, Fairy Dreams. Oh my god.
My toes in it?
Yes.
That's what I was wondering.
Just a little bit. Look at that food beard. Hold on. You see it? You see it? Thomas, you're very cute. Very careful, your possessions will possess you. It has no appeal, it has no appeal, it has no appeal, it has no appeal.
Looking at my pillow look back at me. My thumb is over the screen, my other is in my cheek. I'm a show. Don't she, you forgot to take the chicken out.
How you doing?
Quite tired.
I've rejected affection for years and years. Now I have it, and damn it, it's kind of weird. He tells me I'm pretty, don't know how to respond. I tell him that he's pretty too. Can I say that? Don't have a clue. With every passing moment, I surprise myself. I'm scared of flies, I'm scared of guys. Someone please help. 'Cause I think I've fallen in love this time. I blinked and suddenly I had a
I think I should probably eat something.
2 of these. I think we're gonna go to a smoke shop or something. I don't know. But I just put on a little blush, lotion in my face. I look cute, right?